I am Emre, and before starting the video, I would like to show you dataonmarketing.com. It is my personal website and I share my digital marketing experience in here. You can find more information at dataonmarketing.com. Let's start the video. As you know, many businesses, especially small business or startups, prefer Google Sheets or Excel when preparing their reports. At this point, I would like to show you a more effective tool in terms of data visualization. Power BI is a Microsoft product. The user interface is simpler than Excel. Also has documentation created for ease of use. If you work in the field of digital marketing like me, you can visualize the data in integrated way with many data sources such as Adobe and Google Analytics, also Salesforce and etc. Today I will show you how to create a simple report in Power BI without using the DAX language. First step, how do we import the data? It is really basic because you just click the get data and you can choose your data source from here. Also, you can reach out to more data source, click more. And as you can see, this is the data source, and I would like to show you Salesforce, Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, and as you can see, etc. And there is a tiny bar including 3 different symbols, and now we are on this stage. It is the report side. Here is table side and here is model side. And now I am going to go model side. Here is data side. The second step, and I highly recommend you to examine the data you have, and you need to have a good understanding of descriptive information and data of numerical value. Now I am going to back report side because this video is about how to create basic report without using DAX. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 tables. And I have experience of this data set. That's why I know what I need to do. And that's why the second step is important. Have a good understanding of descriptive information and data of numerical value. And now I am going to show you 3 KPI: sales amount, return amount, and total cost. That's why I choose the card. And again I copy because I determine 3 different KPI. And just I need to drag my table, and I drag sales amount, and data comes here. Also I drag return amount, and as you can see, now I have 3 different cards, and this is my KPI. Also, I would like to filter them by calendar. That's why I am going to go calendar table, and I am going to add slicer, And I added the slicer and just I need to drag my table. Okay, and I drag. And as you can see, slicer in comes here. Also, I can change the form. And all of this information change by the year. Okay, also review the data by, and I am going to go property table and region country name. As I said, the experience is really important, and I have already had experienced this data set. That's why I found the information so easily. It is not hard for me. And as you can see, I review the data by geographically. Also, I would like to review the data, review the sales amount by store type. That's why I choose clustered bar chart in here. I choose the clustered bar chart. And just drag the file in here. I drag store type and I drag sales amount in here. As you can see, data comes here, year 2011, and I change the data, I change the year, and I choose this year. And as you can see, data comes here. As you can see, data comes here. Additionally, I would like to see sales amount by brand name. And I drag brand name. And data is preparing. And this is the sales amount by brand name. As you can see, we have created a basic dashboard using our information, and Power BI is one of the greatest BI Power BI is one of the greatest tool for data visualization. Upcoming video, I am going to show you more detail about Power BI, and I hope you are going to find my content valuable things, and please don't forget to share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching here.